Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix unfortunately call management has stop problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all go to settings, just go to settings and then go to apps or apps management option. Just tap on apps or apps management option. Now tap on search app and search phone. Now tap on phone option. Now scroll down, tap on storage. Now tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back, tap on three line icon. Now enable show system app. Now search phone call, tap on phone call apps. Scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Go back to home screen. Now press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.